loves, in this reading, we will going to channel messages from your person. Okay, let's see the energy first. Oh, sad, broken. Oh, okay. So, in this energy, I hear na one of you or in this situation or love connection or sabihin natin currently in pain, broken-hearted or feeling alone right now. And they are using social media. I hear na ito ay huge user ng social media, you or your person. And dito, my loves, ang ganda ng future reading dito. Look kung paano, the sadness. Sa first energy natin is sad, and then dito, enchantment. Look. I hear na this is situationship. If this is situationship na kumbaga nagmula sa social media. Okay? Nagmula sa social media. And kung makapapansin nyo, ang daming kiss. I also hear na if you are into situationship na nakilala mo sa social media, hindi lang ikaw yung kanyang naging connection. Hindi lang ikaw yung kanyang sabihin natin nakilala sa pamamagitan ng social media because of this fake profile hiding. Maaaring meron siyang mga nagkaroon ng communication din, hindi lang ikaw. So, like for example is dating app. So, kung nakilala mo yung person mo sa dating app, maaaring hindi lang ikaw yung kanyang nakilala doon. But, this is the strong confirmation na dito kayo nagmula because of this access granted. Pero my loves dito, ang ganda, love, admiration. So, nakilala mo or dumating ka sa buhay ng person na to, or pwedeng ikaw or siya, they are feeling alone or you are feeling alone nung nagkakilala kayo. Pero dito, my love, so I hear na napasaya nyo ang isa't isa. It's strong confirmation na nagkakilala kayo online. Pwede din ito ay long distance relationship. Long distance relationship, pwede din natin i-consider yon because of this social media. Pero beware din, my loves, ha. If ever na hindi mo pa talaga kilala yung taong to, meron kasing may fake profile hiding kasi dito. Meron siyang hindi sinasabing totoo. Pwedeng they are string along to many. Ayan. Or pwede ding, my loves, meron siyang deep wounds na itinatago dito na nakalubog. At hindi niya hinahalukay, hindi niya pinapakita sa'yo. Pero one thing is for sure, my loves, they are broken-hearted when they met you. Okay, so let's see more confirmation. Clarifiers for this feeling alone. So maybe kaya niya sabihin natin na kaya siya into social media because they are feeling alone. I also hear, basta my loves, if you are in separation, kung nagkaroon kayo ng relationship, kung ano ang nakikita sa social media, meron pang hindi siya sinasabi or ino-open sa'yo. Meron pang mga susi na hindi niya ipinapakita. Oh, ayun nga, my loves. They are in separation. They are a crush because of separation. Kaya siya heartbroken. My love, sabi ko sa inyo. They are not showing all of themselves. Hindi pa nila pinapakita. Oh my gosh. But okay. So, I hear na biglang lumito kasi dito, my loves. Nakikita ko. Alam niyo yung nagte-trending na yung online relationship, ganon. Yung silang dalawa. Tapos, online sila, ganon. Ganun yung nakikita ko. Pero dito, my loves, kasi you are into that situationship, yun nga, your person, kung sino man yung ka-chat mo ngayon, nakilala mo sa social media, they are broken hearted nung nakilala mo sila because of separation. Because of separation. So, maaari may nag-cause ng pain sa kanila. That's why they are using social media to ease that pain. Pero, yun nga, yun yung naging dahilan ng kanilang sadness. And, ayan, confirmation, my loves, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, they are hiding something. And confirmation, not showing hand. Di ba, pag naglalaro kayo ng cards, ng poker, hindi mo ipinapakita yung iyong baraha. Meron pa siyang alas na hindi ipinapakita, my loves. They are being strategic. So, sabihin natin, hindi pa, pwedeng ikaw din yun, hindi ka pa totally tiwala dito. Pero ganon, si person mo. Kasi, di ba, ito yung takbo ng ating reading, a message from your person. So, energy niya yung ating access right now. Risk. Take any chance. May lumitaw din dito, my loves, social media. Confirmation kung iyan ay nakilala mo through social media. Marami siyang options. Marami siyang options, my loves. Pero this is one of confirmation, my loves. Nasa dinami-dami ng susi na yan, lumitaw na naman another susi. Is this? Ikaw, yung mag-o-open, mag-welcome ng love. You are the one for them. Na magbibigay ng adornment at admiration, na bibigyan nila, willing nilang bigyan ng admiration because sa inyo, niya naramdaman yung enchantment, yung saya after this. Okay? So dito yan, getting together. So, kung malayo kayo sa isa't isa, if you are in separation, ayan, darating din yung time na magkakaroon kayo ng meet up, the meeting, and also, ready na silang magmahal ulit. Ikaw yung susi na makapagbubukas. You're the one. Oh my gosh! You're the one, my loves. So, maaaring choosy, medyo may pagka din itong person mo, may pagka-choosy or sabihin natin, yun nga, hindi pa, they are being strategic, hindi pa nila ino-open lahat ng cards nila sa'yo. So dito, masasabi natin baka they are not totally trusted or trusting you kasi nga, galing sila sa separation, galing sila sa heartbreak. Pero one thing is for sure, my loves, nandito yung love na to, if ever then na hindi ka willing pa, ikaw yon, if ever na ikaw yung nakakaramdam na hindi ka pa talaga totally tiwala sa taong to na nakilala mo lang sa social media, my loves, they are the one that holding the key for your heart. Di ba napakaganda, my loves? Tingnan nyo takbo, ang dami, napakadaming option. Ang medyo risky lang dito, my loves, meron pa siyang hindi inaamin, hindi pa siya ino-open sa'yo. And maaari nga na hindi lang ikaw yung kanyang ganyan ka-communicatean sa social media kasi marami. Pero maaaring ikaw na yung the one na makapagbubukas ng kanyang heart. Okay, nakita nyo yung flow, my loves? Napakaganda. Kumbaga, na-broken talaga yung taong to. They are crushed. They are feeling alone. Kaya para ang tingin na lang nila dito sa mga nakakilala nila dito sa social media is, sabihin natin, options. They are just being strategic. Parang chance lang for enjoyment or sabihin nating pleasure. Pero dito, my loves, isang confirmation na the one. Na ikaw yung pipiliin niyang makakapag-open ng heart niya. They feel the sincerity I also hear. And enchantment. Kung baga nag-enjoy siya sa company mo, kahit nasabihin sa dinami-dami ng nakilala niya, yun yung word. Sa dinami-dami ng nakilala niya. But dito kasi, my loves, meron pa siyang hindi ipinapakita, meron pa siyang hindi totally ino-open. Let's see kung makakapag-cause yun ng hindi maganda. Ano yung hindi niya ino-open na yun? Ano ba yung hindi niya ino-open? Kasi, kumbaga, mahirap din yan kung sa kabilang banda. Dahil, kumbaga, not showing their hand. Hindi pa sila totally open. And I also hear, if ikaw yung sobrang open din, na sabihin natin yung kakakilala mo pa lang is sobrang open ka na sa isang tao, I also hear spirits wants you to change that. Na kumbaga, wag mong i-open lahat ng baraha mo sa mga taong nakikilala mo sa social media. Okay. So, more clarifier, spirits. This person is anxious. Maaaring they are overly emotional. Pwedeng immature or torture. Okay. Pero dito may loves. Eto ha. Ito ay sabihin natin emotionally immature. Pero ang pinapakita ng taong to or nakikita mo sa taong to, pinapakita niya sa'yo, they are strong, courageous, passionate, energetic, pero deep inside, they are anxious. They are immature. Oh, the truth are coming. So, my loves dito, may justice na dumating. So, I hear na ito ay good karma because of the love, the sincerity of the love with heart with a key, my loves. Perfect. So, if ever my loves na ikaw ay sabihin nating na-involve sa isang heartbreak, maaaring ito yung blessings mo, my loves. Na good karma mo na makilala tong taong to. Pero dito, my loves, emotionally unstable tong taong to. Pero ang pinapakita niya sa'yo or ang tingin mo sa kanya, they are very efficient, they are very strong. Look, parang kumbaga dito, ang vibrant na ng energy niya when it comes to social media. Pero deep inside, they are emotional, overly emotional. Alam niyo yun? So, may mga ganon, lalo na pag anxious ang isang tao, pinapakita, ang hindi mo yun mahahalata. They are funny, they are positive looking, pero deep inside, they are anxious. Dito, my loves, the karma, I also hear na the cause and effects, the consequences. My loves, dito, if ever na, halimbawa, sabihin na natin, you trusted them, tapos niloko ka nila, masaserve agad ang karma, my loves. But I hear, my loves, na if ever na ikaw din yung sabihin natin, hindi seryoso or marami kang masyado, you are being strategic in this person, I also hear the consequences. Kumbaga, ayun, my loves, spirits wants you to not showing hands or not showing all the cards to sabihin natin, yes, they are love, they are the one, pwedeng they are the one, my loves, pero dito kilalanin mo pang mabuti yung taong to, kilalanin mo pa siyang mabuti kasi meron ditong life lessons and truth, maaaring may makikilala or may malalaman ka pa about this person. Pero dito, my loves, isa sa mga pundasyon dito, my loves, is sabihin nating honesty. Okay? Maging honest ka sa person mo, pero wag yung totally trust or sabihin na opening the cards. Pero nandito yung honesty, my loves, kaya kung lolokohin ka nito, wag ka mag-alala kasi isa-serve din ang justice agad-agad. Pero dito, my loves, kaya meron ditong karmic. Let's see more confirmation about this justice. I also hear, my loves, kasi you are the one. Pwedeng you are involved din or they are involved sa kanilang karmic. Matagal na. Oh. Lack of perspective, discord. Okay, recklessness. So, pwede, my loves, dito is self-indulgence, lesson, lack of perspective about this connection. Pwedeng, kasi meron ditong lessons learned, my loves, or life lesson. Not finishing what you start. Okay, if ever my loves na ito, yung connection na to ay nagsisilbing distraction sa yung mga goals. O pwede din, it can be na siya yung maging distraction. Pero dito naka-reverse yung ano eh, yung devil natin eh. Maaari, my loves talaga na this is good karma. Okay? Pero yon, yung attachment dito sa taong to, maaaring hindi pa talaga kayo, pero nandito, nasa kanya ang stability. Emperor, lumitaw yung Emperor, my loves. So, celebrations. Oo nga, my loves, kumbaga dito, kilalanin pang mabuti, pero confirmation kasi yun, nandito ang love. Yun, I hear na good karma nga, my loves. Good karma siya. Kasi dito nakabaliktad na yung devil natin. Pero don't forget your goals. Don't forget to finish what you started. Okay? Huwag kang madidistract dito sa love connection na to. Meron ka pang mga goals. But sabihin natin, yes, ito yung pwedeng sabihin natin na blessings to. Pero huwag mong hayaan na sobra kang ma-attach or sobra kang malugmok, maging addicted dito. I hear the fatherhood figure, stability, and yes, the reunions. Confirmation na magkikita or magkakasama talaga kayo sa lalong madaling panahon. Let's see message from this person. Let's see message from this person. Sorry. I'm sorry for the pain I have caused you. I'm sorry I wasn't there when you needed me the most. I wanted to be there to comfort, but I was afraid of letting you down. Okay, saan mo siya nagsosorry? I miss you. I miss everything about you today. Your eyes, your smile, your voice, your scent, your touch. I am missing everything. Parang mina-channel tayo ng ibang person dito, my loves. So, dito ha, make it sure, are you sure na itong person, I hear na, pwedeng, kasi nag-channel tayo ng message, dapat talaga i-center mo yung energy doon mismo sa taong yon. So, dito, my loves, ikaw na ang bahala kung kanino to nanggaling, but this is the message from your person on your mind or your person. Yeah. So, I miss everything about you today. At dito may nagsosorry. I also, my loves, if ever then you are using social media because you are lonely from separation, pwedeng ito. Ito din yung message ng person na naging dahilan. Lumitaw yung honesty dito eh. I hear ng maaaring both of you ay hindi talaga nag-o-open pa ng cards sa relationship na to. My love for you is boundless and unconditional. Are you thinking about me? So maybe my loves, you are involved dito sa ganitong klase ng situationship, pero merong nag-channel ng message and these are the message for you. Okay, let's see our final card. Let's put our final card. Are you thinking about me? So make it sure na nakasenter ang energy kasi parang feeling ko hindi dito galing yan. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay. Pwede ding may loves talaga na ikaw to, kumbaga, pwedeng nanggaling ka talaga sa separation. Pero at yun nga, meron kang person or you are in situationship right now na ginagamit ang social media to access someone. But stay optimistic about your love life. I hear na pwede din na hindi mo din siniseryoso itong nakilala mo online na to. Kaya nandito din yung ating justice card. Pero My loves, if you are, sabihin natin, hindi pa ganun ka-decided, stay optimistic about your love life. So, maging positibo lang, my loves, and fate will bring you romance. Okay? So, ang kailangan maging genuine ka lang and maging honest with yourself. Are you, kumbaga, move on ka na ba talaga? Move on ka na ba talaga? Hindi mo ba ginagamit yung taong to para maka-move on? Or pwede din siya, my loves. Pero dito, kumbaga, stay optimistic. Stay optimistic. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transform. Okay, my love. So, may transformation ngang magaganap, my loves. Siguro, ang tingin mo sa relationship na to ay hindi ganon kaseryoso. Pwedeng ikaw din, marami kang, you are string along to many. Pero dito, my loves, may pagbabago. May pagbabago dito kung halimbawa dati magka-chat lang kayo, pwedeng maging legal na kayo. Kasi dito ang ganda talaga ng confirmation. Nasa dinami-dami ng susi, itong love connection na to yung the one. Okay? So dito, it's up to you if you resonate. Pero ito kasi yung kanilang, kumbaga, gustong sabihin. Okay? Ito yung kanilang gustong sabihin. They are in pain. Pwedeng may regrets din, my loves. Sorry and I miss you. It's either, this message is from dito, sa nag-cause ng pain sa kanya, or kayo, kung meron kayong previous relationship, may iniisip kayong person. Okay? Are you thinking about me? They still curious. Are you thinking about me? Namimiss nga talaga. So ito ay, yung message na to is para sa past. Okay? Kaya kung hindi kanya past, hindi yan para sa'yo. Pero kung kayo ay nag-separate, pwedeng para sa'yo yan. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.